Good evening once again. One of the most controversial pieces of legislation on the books here in New York may be among the most confusing. We're talking about the New York SAFE Act. That's the Empire State's tough new gun law. Now, there seems to be a growing concern about the number of rounds you can legally have in the chamber of your gun. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Josh Bazan is here tonight to help clear up the confusion.
Under the New York SAFE Act, it is illegal to have more than 7 rounds of ammunition in a 10-round magazine. If you're caught breaking that law, it is technically a misdemeanor in New York State, but people in Erie County will no longer have to worry about being charged for that crime.
Follow their ruling and view this matter as unconstitutional and not apply and not charge that specific SAFE Act offense, which again is only a B misdemeanor. There are very few of them.
Erie County District Attorney John Flynn is referencing 2 federal court rulings that consider that portion of the SAFE Act unconstitutional. A federal judge first ruled on the law in 2013, and the decision was upheld in 2015. Despite those rulings, people in Erie County were being charged with that crime until as recently as this month.
I quite frankly just found out about this recently. No one brought this to my attention. When it was brought to my attention, I did the research on this.
Flynn says there are 23 open cases right now in Erie County. All of those charges will be dropped.
He's very courageous for doing this, and he's saving the people of Erie County a lot of money.
I believe in the rule of law. I believe that when you have a Second Circuit opinion, which is one step below the United States Supreme Court, rule that something is unconstitutional, that I'm going to take that into consideration.
Because the Supreme Court of the United States has not weighed in, it is up to local district attorneys to decide whether to enforce this piece of the law. Buffalo police plan to stop charging people for this part of the SAFE Act, but New York State police will continue to enforce the law as it is written. Josh Bazan, 7 Eyewitness News.